This is gonna be absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to see this grow in. First piece of the patio and the waterfall in midsummer last year, and we just came back in the last few days. We added this patio extension and this other seating wall, and we're getting ready to plant this whole backyard. So you won't have a drop of grass or a blade of grass back here. So I'm pretty excited to see this all get done. We got a little bit more bed prep, but I got the plants laid out for the guys to get started. Got some beautiful dogwoods and some beautiful junipers in the back that are gonna make a nice backdrop for all of this color. We got Blue Veronica, some Speedwell, a bunch of peonies that she loves, and then this whole corner back in here is going to be a bunch of Phobo hydrangeas. So they're real pretty white color, and then they turn to kind of a pink. A few little empty spaces up close towards the walls and stuff, so she can plant some annuals, and then we're going to put a little bit more marginals, aquatics, and I got two. I don't know how well they're going to do. I got two dwarf water lilies we're going to put in that upland area, about 6-7 inches deep. 3 phases. So we did the waterfall, and then we came back and did this patio, and then we added that patio and seating wall and all this landscape in the backyard. So super stoked how this turned out. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to come back in a couple years and see this thing how it grows in. I think it's going to be gorgeous. So she's got lots of color, lots of perennials, and some good foundation plants, butterfly bushes. So this is the patio we did last summer, midsummer, and then we came back this spring, finished this off. We moved a sprinkler head from here, and these pots are irrigated, and they're just there to help hide all of our electrical and our controllers. But that's doing a good job there. We made this little plant pocket here because that's where all of our junction to our lights are. So didn't want to put any of that under the patio, so we just made this little plant net and grabbed some little rocks in there, and I think it looks awesome. When we started, this was just blank backyard where I'm standing on the patio. It was all just kind of mud and weeds, and then this was a real dry, weedy, grassy hillside. That was all that was back here. So we got a blank slate on this one, and absolutely love it when I get the chance to do the whole backyard. I absolutely love this space. The only thing that we didn't get to do that we had drawn in that I still think you might get to come back and do. Anyways, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please let us know how we're doing. Can you do something different? But if you do like it, just comment and subscribe.